What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what, in this video today I will be sharing with you how you can earn using the Simplii financial mobile app. And guys, the amount of money you can earn is really unlimited. So the more friends and family you invite, the more you can earn. You can earn $125 minimum for each person you invite. So to achieve this, what you do is select the menu icon, select refer a friend, and here you can see that earn $125 when your friend opens a no fee checking account, a high interest savings account, or a personal line of credit. And if they go on to get a mortgage with RBC in the future, you can earn up to $500. So that's pretty much it guys. So you just have to find a way to share your link. You can do it via social media, or if you just have a few friends in your circle, then you can share with them that way. So I think this is a great way to earn some extra money in Canada, right? So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.